Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to learn classification of materials on the basis of their heaviness or lightness. Okay. Now see students, heaviness and lightness means what? Some materials are there, they are heavier than water, and some materials are lighter than water. So those materials are heavier than water, they sink in a water, and those materials are lighter than water, they float on the surface of water. So these are the two kinds of materials. Okay, so today we are going to learn that only, classification of materials on the basis of their heaviness or lightness. Some materials are heavier than water, whereas some materials are lighter than water. Now in science there is a scientific term to indicate the heaviness and lightness of materials, that is called density. What is, students? That is the density. Okay, so in science there is a scientific term for this heaviness or lightness, that is the density. Okay students, understood? Density. Now with the help of activity, I am going to show you heaviness and lightness of materials. Now see students, this is the one activity. Now see here, this is the one beaker, and in this beaker there is a water. Okay, these black dots means water. So take a beaker and pour half beaker water in it. Okay, and take any example like from heavier. So for example, we will consider the iron nail. Here are, you know students, iron nail. Okay, so take a iron nail and put in water. Okay, so put in water this iron nail. So this is the iron nail, can you see here? So when you put the iron nail, suddenly that iron nail sink at the bottom of beaker. Okay, when you put the iron nail into the water, so that iron nail sink at the bottom, it does not float on water. Okay students, so why this happen? This happen because iron nail has more density than water. जो आयरन नेल की जो डेंसिटी है, वेट है, वो वाटर से भी ज़्यादा है, इसीलिए वो सिंक हुआ है. So we can understand that the iron nail is heavier than water, and those materials are heavier than water. See here, the materials which is sink in water is heavier than water, means those materials are heavier than water, they sink in water. Okay, they sink in water. Now completely opposite lightness. Okay, now see materials which are lighter than water. Now see, this is also one beaker. Okay, pour the half beaker water in it and take any wooden block. Okay, dry wooden block and put in water. So what happens students? After putting the dry wooden block in water, you can use the paper also, dry leaves also, put in water. So as soon as you put the lighter material, that lighter material starts floating in water. Starts floating in water. It may be paper, it may be cardboard, it may be oil, it may be your wooden block. So that material starts floating in water. Such materials are called lighter materials. So these materials have less density than water, and that's why water allow them to float on its surface. If heavier material, they suddenly sink in water. If lighter material, that material is allowed to float on the water surface. So this is about the heaviness and lightness. Now we'll see the examples. Now heavier materials like gold, silver, stone, glass, these are the heavier materials. It means that these materials sink in a water, and these lighter materials like paper, sawdust, oil, wood, dry leaves float on water surface. Understood? So the materials which float on water is lighter than water. Those materials float on water surface, they are lighter than water, means their density is less than water. Okay, clear? Understood? So what we have learned today? We have learned today the classification of materials on the basis of their heaviness and lightness. Okay, so those materials are heavier than water, they sink in water. Okay, those materials are lighter than water, they float on water surface. Heaviness and lightness, okay, heaviness and lightness is also called density in science. Okay, students? So I hope you understood today's part. Okay, so today we'll stop here. Remaining part will continue in our next video.